It's a new noise, huh? Well, those are normal noises. Go back to that new one. There it was. I think this is I'm teething and it hurts noise, huh? Is that what it is? Are you okay? Are you okay? It's very cute. Let me give you some toys to play with, okay?
Yes, it is a mistake, because you see, the bed here is my spot.
Where my turbo boosters? People still use fossil fuel or discovered crystallic fuel?
Oh, let's see, we got double A's.
Watch yourself. Wow, who goes there?
Okay, friend.
Do you know these light forms?
Yes. They're Andy's toys.
All right, everyone, your card come up. My common piece.
Oh,
Hope you dropped it again.
got a dinosaur.
It's good you're thinking to look for it, though, after you drop it. Means you know that it still exists, huh? But, sweetie, how are you going to chew? Oh! How are you going to chew on your teether with your pacifier in, huh? Oh, there it goes. I'm going to look for that, too.
Universe protection unit of the Space Ranger Corps. I protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion.
Here, oh, sweetie, this will make you feel better. Okay. Here. There you go. There's one in the refrigerator. You'll have a cold one real soon, okay? Hi, silly. Hi, cutie.
There's a little light bulb that blinks.
What's with him? He's a rapping.
All right, that's enough. Look, we're all very impressed.
You gonna do it? You just stood up on the couch. Or next to the couch. Thought you'd do it again. Go on.